How to upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a profile picture on Facebook but without cropping. To do so, first launch Facebook app on your device, whether that's iPhone or Android. Make sure to log in or sign into your particular account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile at top of the screen, and in order to upload a profile picture, choose the camera icon on your profile at top left corner of the screen. Here are the three options that says 3C profile picture, choose profile picture and import from Instagram. So let's select choose profile picture and choose any images. So as you can see that we cannot upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping as it is already in historical save. So it will automatically or manually crop the profile picture itself. So it is a feature of the Facebook to crop any profile picture and upload the profile picture on Facebook. So if you choose the crop images icon also, then as you can see that the aspected ratio is not given, so it has been cropped and saved. So let's tap on the done button and tap on the save button at the top right corner of the screen, and it has been uploaded as the cropped picture but not without cropping. So after few years or certain years, maybe this feature may not be there and you can easily upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping, but for now there is no any such feature that gives or allows us to upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.